So after the video I posted, I'm getting lots of calls, I'm getting lots of messages in my DM, and the question is one. You guys want to know how you'll be able to stream on multiple platforms using the OBS. So for example, you want to know how to stream on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, Zoom, what have you. You want to know how to stream on all these platforms at the same time using OBS on one machine. And sometimes you ask yourself, is it possible? Yeah, I've come to answer the question. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you'll be able to achieve this very easily and very simple. My name is Simon, and this is my platform. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, so whenever I release a new video, you get the first-hand notification. If you're a returning subscriber to me, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my video. I do not take you for granted. Now, if you are liking this video already, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, drop a comment, share, invite your friends so we can learn something new. Now, without wasting much time, let's zoom in into today's video. Alright, so now in OBS, everything is not automated. Everything you have to do from scratch. Unlike other streaming softwares that you'll be able to just click on a click of a button, all these things go on this platform. OBS is not like that. OBS is not like that. So with OBS, what you have to do is that naturally or automatically when you download the OBS, you do not have the ability to do this multiple platform streaming that I'm talking about. So what you have to do is that after you have installed the OBS, if you don't know how to install the OBS, watch the video I posted on a full guide on OBS for beginners, and you know how to go about it. I'll put the link in the description or probably in the card here or somewhere here. I don't really know, but then somewhere it will appear. Go and watch it and then you'll be blessed. Now, after you have installed the OBS, you have to get a plugin, okay? And this plugin is free. You'll be able to download it free. So I'm going to show you where and how you get this plugin to download, and then I'll teach you how to also go about it to be able to get this your video stream on all these multiple platforms that we are talking about. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to launch your browser. I like using Google Chrome a lot. Not that Google Chrome is sponsoring any of my video, but then I just love using their products. Then you just come to the search button and then type OBS multiple stream. Okay, just OBS multiple stream and then you click. So you look for multiple RTMP plugin, multiple RTMP output plugin. So that is what you have here. The second one that is appear here, just click on it, and then when you come here, just go to download. It will bring you to a different tab, and then you scroll down, come down, then you come and see, you see this here. So this one too, you have lots of operating systems. So depending on the operating system you are using, so for example, I'm using Windows. So if you're a Mac user, you look for the Mac OS. If you are a Linux user, you go for this one. But for us, the Windows users, you just come and click on the Windows zip here. So you have the zip where you can download it, and you have the installer direct. So but mostly I want to download the zip file, so I'll just click on this one, and the moment you click it, automatically it will start downloading. But because I use IDM for all my downloads, it will appear like this, and then I'll just click on the start download, and then it will download for me. So it is done downloading. Now what I have to do next is I have to go to my file location to go and look for where I downloaded the software. So here is it. Now I'll have to extract it, and then click here. Now you see you have data and then OBS plugin. You click on OBS plugin and then 64 bits. Now you see these are the plugins. So this one you don't install. What you do is that you just copy and go and paste in your program directory. So you just select all these files and then you click on and you copy. So you can use the simple shortcut, that is Ctrl+C, and then the Mac uses Command+C. So after you've copied it, now you click on your Windows, you go to your Windows startup and then you type OBS. And the moment OBS comes, you don't open, you just right click and then click on the open file location. Open file location. So you click on open file location, it will open the file location for you. Now you have install and then the OBS. Still you don't click on to open the OBS, you still right click again and then click on and again open file location. So you bring you to the program files where your OBS is installed in your program files, and then you come and paste the files here. Because I have done it, that is why it's asking me to replace file. So I replace it, and then you will need administrator permission. So continue, and then it is settled. So now I have this plugin installed in my OBS. So what you have to do now is you have to just come and then launch your OBS software. So now that my OBS is launched, if you watch the first video, I taught you on how to add video, how to add those things. I said the first thing you have to do is that mostly I'll have to turn on my studio mode. So the moment my studio mode is turned on, I have my camera footage here. What am I going to do? So I'm going to add all the sources and the scenes in this video. If I'm going to rush over it, if you don't know how to go about it, kindly watch the video in the description, the first link in the video description. That is the overview on OBS, the complete beginner guide. It will walk you through how to do all these things. So if you have not checked that one out, the link is either up here or somewhere here. I don't know where it is, but then obviously somewhere on the screen it has appeared. Click and go and watch it and then come back. So I'll add my video sharp, and now I have my video feed here. Everything is working. I have my sound. Everything is working perfectly. So now we are now going to make very good use of the plugin that we installed. Now when you look on the interface here, you won't find the plugin that you installed anywhere. So let's go and look for it somewhere. I know it's somewhere here. So when you come to this panel where you have the file, edit, view, doc, profile, scene, collection, tools, help, you come and click on the docs. So the moment you click on the last thing you will see is the multiple outputs. So you have the multiple output here. You click on the multiple output. You have it here in the tabs. It has appeared here. All right. So now, how do you go about it? The first thing you have to do is that you have to set your main streaming point. Your mainstream point. So the mainstream point is, let's say, Facebook. So this one too, I've done a full video on it. I'm not going to go over this thing. So I think everything is set now. Let's go and then click on stream. So the moment my stream starts on my base or my main platform, so in this case the main platform is the Facebook that we are streaming on. So any other auxiliary platform we are going to go about is where the multiple output plugin is going to work. So here you see you have add new target. Okay, so just click on add new target. Now what is the name of the target? So let's say here let me delete this one first before we go on. So add new target. What is the new target that we are looking for? So let's say YouTube. Now RTMP server. So here you head on to your YouTube platform, and then just as you go about your normal, you click on this plus that is create here. You click on the go live. The moment you get to this point, you see you have your default stream key here. You have your server stream key. You have a stream URL, and then all these ones here. So where is the server? So this is the server. You copy the server, RTMP server, and then you come back to your OBS. You paste it here. You go back to your browser. You go and copy your stream key. You come back to your OBS, and then you paste it. So here everything you get from OBS, so you automatically use everything that your first settings is using, then click on OK. So now you have the YouTube set. I hope you get it. You have the YouTube set. So all that you just have to do is you just have to what? Click on start. So the moment you click on start, you see that you have you have the streaming here. So the moment you go to Facebook, YouTube, you find the streaming there as well. So here you are streaming on both Facebook and then streaming on YouTube at the same time. So in the same way, you can add any other platform that you want to stream with, whether TikTok, Instagram, Vimeo, whatever platform is it. Just go through this same procedure. Go and copy your server and then your stream key. Come and paste it here. So while we have the YouTube here, you can still add new targets. Add. So you can add as many target ads as you want, provided your internet is strong enough to be able to carry you through, and you are using a good machine that will be able to do all this processing for you. You are good to go. So basically, if you asked on how to use OBS to stream to multiple platforms, more than 3, 4, 5 platforms, with this plugin, you are good to go. I'll try my best to add the link to the plugin in the description below, so that you can just click on it and then go and download it. I believe that this video is going to be a blessing to you. If you're enjoying this video, kindly click on the like button and then share to let others also benefit from it. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so that whenever I release a new video, you will get the first hand notification. If you're a returning subscriber too, as I always say, I'm very, very, very grateful to you for always coming back to come and watch my video. It means that you believe in what I'm doing and you trust that I'll be able to give you value for the data that you are using to watch me. I'm very, very, very grateful. Kindly invite others. Let's grow this platform so that we can be able to do greater things for God. Share to your church's media WhatsApp platform. Let every of your church members get to know of this information, so that even when you, the media head, is not around, any of the media team members can pick up and then run the affairs of the media ministry, because the work must be done. That one, you cannot take it for granted. My name has always been Brakuku Simon. Until we meet again, I say adios. Bye-bye.